up? Welcome back to my channel. Happy Foundation Friday. So today is going to be a more foundation routine type of video. I know every Friday I usually will try out a new foundation. I'll do a foundation battle or I'll mix some foundations up. It's a very foundation-y Friday. So today we're doing a foundation routine. I have a new foundation routine that I've been using and doing, and I felt like I wanted to share with you guys because it's been pretty amazing. And I literally love how my face looks and my skin looks. And I just love this whole process of a foundation routine. I definitely do change up my foundation routine very often, but this has been very consistent for like about a month. I've been doing this process, this routine. I'll probably change the routine again because I love testing out like different routines and like different methods and stuff like that. So let's go ahead and get into it. If you love Foundation Fridays, don't forget to comment down below, like this video, and turn on the notifications. And subscribe if you're not already subscribed. Ooh, I hit something. So let's go ahead and get started. I always love to go in with a skin prep. It's time to do some vitamin C juice cleanser from Pixie Beauty. This stuff is literally my favorite. It's something I use every morning. It keeps my skin looking nice and fresh and pretty amazing. And I literally love this stuff. Next thing I'm gonna do for foundation prepping is this Milk Makeup Moisturizer. It's very important to moisturize your skin. Sometimes I like to wear a serum before I go into a moisturizer, so this is my favorite. You can go into any type of moisturizer you like. I really like this vegan milk moisturizer from Milk Makeup. It's been pretty bomb. So I've already moisturized my face. It's nice and moisturized. It's super ready. So here we go with the routine. I'm going to go in with this Farsali Unicorn, it's not Unicorn Essence, even though I love the Unicorn Essence, Oil Balancing Serum. Now, I have a really dry skin, so I'm not someone that would take on to something that's oil balancing, but this product makes my foundation look so bomb that I had to include it in my routine. I will be very honest, when I first got this product, I was like, I don't know if I'm doing this right. I don't know if I'm using it right. So I love this stuff. It makes my foundation look so good. But you have to do this on top of moisturized skin. So it's very important. And this stuff literally spills everywhere. When you're going to blend this out, it's going to dry to like a really crusty thing. So then you gotta let it dry a little bit. So I tend to, while it's drying, I'll go work on my hair or I'll go do other things. So I'll let it dry and you'll start seeing a little bit of like a white layer. This is essentially like the whole powder hack that people are doing on TikTok. I'm gonna test that, but this is more of a liquid powder. I like this, this liquid powder a lot better. I think it's really good for your skin. It's a serum. And it does a lot. For some reason, it's not getting really ashy today, but you can kind of see my skin got really powdery and really like, it's like a different texture. If you can see like right there, that's a little white patch that's coming out. You can see it's starting to turn really white in certain areas. It's just gonna look like a powder was left onto your face. It's gonna look like crusted powder. I don't know why it's not doing that today. Sometimes it does it and it's so extreme. I remember when I first tried this product out and it did that, I was like, what happened to my face? And yeah, you can start seeing it now. Here we go, it's coming. Here we go, it's drying. So once you start seeing that stuff, I usually like to do this routine when, like I like to put this on before I do my eyes, but just because I'm showing you guys the process of the foundation, I didn't want the foundation routine. I didn't want to do too much moving around. I wanted to focus mostly on skin on this video for Foundation Friday today, so that's what we're doing. So as you can see, there is this, it's basically drying. You can see that it's very you can see that it's getting all white and stuff like that. Here we go, it's drying up, it's sucking up all your oils. Then now I'm gonna go on top of it with a primer. So that was powder, liquid powder to balance the oils, keep it like intact. This method makes my foundation last all day. Now I'm going to go in with an actual primer. I'm using my Pure Canvas primer from Laura Mercier. This is the broad spectrum primer with SPF 30 in it. I am going to be a little bit out in the sun today, so doing some work. I know it's odd. It's like there's a lot of product, right? But this makes your foundation last. And I know you guys are always asking me how do I make my foundation last? How do I get rid of the texture or the blurs, or, you know, how do I make it more even, or how do I make it less cakey? This is the method. Now your skin is officially ready for some foundation. We're gonna use the Stay Naked foundation today. I've been super obsessed with the Urban Decay Stay Naked foundation. It's just been my go-to. My NARS is almost done, and I was like, you know what? Let me give other foundations a chance. So I started to give this Stay Naked a chance, and I love this stuff. So this just goes on super flawless and seamlessly. Look at how smooth my foundation looks. It's super, super flawless. Not cakey at all. Still has a nice light feeling to it. Literally no problems. And then I'm just going to go into the forehead. You know, the forehead is always the area that gets me. So it went on perfectly nice and smooth. Just like to smooth out the edges. You just got to be careful with that product. This tends to close your caps, you guys. Close your caps. OMG. That was rough. It literally freaked me out. It literally knocked the socks off me. Almost spilled all that crap on me. Whew. I went ahead and applied with a wet beauty blender as well. Skin looks nice. It looks literally poreless right now. So that is amazing, and I love to have a very nice poreless look. Like, hello, we are poreless. I'm also going to go in with my Stay Naked concealer, you guys. We're going to go ahead and finish off this face. I do go pretty extreme with my concealer because I like it to look really bright. And I also have a halo eye on today, so why not go extreme? Then I like to use my beauty blender, and I like to just press it out because, I mean, pressing out your makeup is the most therapeutic thing ever. I don't know if you guys feel like that, but every time I press out my makeup with a sponge, it feels amazing. With some bronzer, you guys, I'm just going to go in with this Hoola Bronzer. This is in the shade Caramel. I have been pretty obsessed with them. I used to use the Hoola, just the traditional color. I feel like that one was a little too ashy for me. This one's a little bit more warmer and nicer, but I wouldn't use this to do like a nose contour. I still would use the original Hoola Bronzer to do a good nose contour. If you guys are into nose contours, I haven't been really into nose contours. It's a little too much work, but sometimes I like to snatch my face up, but when it's too much work, I'm not there. I need makeup to be simple, easy, walk out the door, even though I know this is like a lot of glam, but you know what I mean. Really chisel stuff on. And it's like a nice, thick, fluffy brush. It's from a brand called Complex Culture. And I have no idea. I got this in PR, but this is bomb. I'm going to look for them online so I could link them down below. Okay, guys, now I'm going to go in with some setting powder. You don't need to do setting powder, but I like how setting powder looks underneath my eyes. So I'm just going to do a really good underneath eye set. Everything else, I don't really set. I just set my under eyes because I just feel like it gives some dimension to the face. There you go. See how it looks? It just looks better when it's set, my opinion. Okay, then the next thing I like to do is I like to cut my contour. So I'm just going to go right here and do like a really good contour cut. Hey guys, so this is the finished foundation routine. I hope you guys enjoyed this foundation routine with me. It's a lot of steps, but it's been pretty amazing. I love how it lasts. It literally lasts me all day. My pores stay nice and nice. I look really good on camera. It's perfect for selfies, and it is my favorite foundation routine. So I hope you guys enjoyed this Foundation Friday. Don't forget to subscribe and comment down below. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!